Hey, can you see the ocean horizon area? This is the East Peninsula. This is a Shizuoka Prefecture part of that. And this is very beautiful nature area. And if you want to enter the onsen, hot springs, you can there. And you should come here for nature and seafood and sushi and tuna and salmon and a beautiful horizon and mountain and hot springs and beach area, a lot of beautiful beaches. And the younger people want to come here and there. Can you see? And this is the American continent. Oh my God, very close. American, Japan. Oh, but it's joking. This is the Oshima Island. Oshima is near East Peninsula. Small island, but it's a good sightseeing area. Japan is a very clean country. No garbage, no litter. But now Oshima it's real. Okay, for water, bottle throw away. Crazy, we need to pick up there. Most of Japanese don't litter. But some people litter here. Great. Got it. Okay, we need to clean up every day for the environment. And you know, Japan is a good environment, beautiful green country, and beautiful green and blue sky. Okay, let's go to the next spot. We'll go to the Inatori onsen. It's peninsula, and like this. And it's called the Italian Sicilian City Peninsula. And it's very beautiful. And it's big hot springs. And it's a fish market. And it's an early morning fish market. And it's for free, the miso soup. And it's market a lot of very fresh fish. And you can fishing in the Inatori Peninsula Bay. And let's go to the okay. This is the Inatori station. Okay, and you can come here by train. And it's a very small fish market area, and it's very beautiful. And I can recommend this area. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the harbor in the Inatori. It's very beautiful, and the fisher lot, fishermen. Okay, let's back. Alright, today I came here to Inatori Harbor. It's very beautiful, and the fish market, early morning market. And okay, this is the statue of fish. Tuna or kinmedai. It's called kinmedai. It's a golden fish in the East Peninsula. Okay, let's go to the fish market. Okay, this is a small market, but it's very local. And it's very tasty and cheaper. And this one. Now it's around 10 o'clock, but it's almost finished this market today. Oh. Watermelon. Okay, fish. Wasabi here. Can you taste? It's a wasabi. Can you taste it? You can try. It's a wasabi. Okay. It's not direct. Children try. 人気商品、ここ製造元なのでね、稲取ですので、どうぞ食べていってください。Wow, I can get trial. Oh my God. New summer. New summer is orange. 地元で採れるみかんを使ってますね。コラーゲンもたっぷり入ってます。いただきます。 the cold harbor. New summer orange is a nutritional collagen improving the skin condition. And wow. Okay, it's called Himono. Okay, try. You can try this?
食べたい。
Oh, thank you. Yeah, so tasty. Okay. Oh, this good area. Oh. It's only 30 yen. Wow. It's almost free. Sorry. Wow. So tasty. I tried to it's only 30 yen. It's the fish-based meat food. And a lot of vegetable. It's all very healthy. Wow. I feel like it. Okay, this one so tasty. Fish taste in the soup. So good. You should come here. Inatori. Now it's 11 o'clock, not early morning. Vegetable, fruits, flour, and fish, dried fish. So tasty. It's called Himono in Japan. Wow. It's Korasho. It's another more modern market. Oh, it's so cool. Air conditioner. Oh, this is Kinmedai, but it's not gold. Red. Please dry fish a lot. Kinme, a small fish. Sardine. Shellfish. Sazae. Which is a souvenir. This watermelon. It's a not circle, not fresh vegetable. So good. It's very fresh, comfortable. This is Inatori Harbor. Yeah, it's a fish boat a lot and fishing people there. And what they can fish. Oh, it's a sea breezing smell. It's a quite black, not clear, crystal clean. Okay, but a lot of fish. Fish is nothing. But when I was a child, I can fish. I could fish a lot of this area. Okay, let's check the other fishery. Okay, I asked them what they fish. They could. Today, the fish is nothing. This area is no fish, but other side, maybe other areas are good. And if you want to fish, you can find fishing point in this app. And this app is very convenient for fishes. Oh, 1, 2, 3. There are beautiful fish in this clear water. On the other side is so good fishing spot area. あっちの方が釣れそうです。
そうですね。
大きだから。 Okay, cats, black cats sleeping. Black cats sleeping here. Comforting, relaxing. But other cats stay here sleeping. So cute. Maybe the children near there. Wow. Right. I came here, Kawazu Beach in East Peninsula. It's a hidden beach, and people is almost nothing, very less. They can, and you can freely in this area. And the Kawazu area is known for the cherry blossom. And the early spring season, you can see the cherry blossom very beautifully. And a lot of people want to see and Kawazu cherry blossom, and it's Sommei-yoshi no cherry blossom is a little different. Kawazu is a more pink, beautiful, and it's blooming a little early. And it's March, Japanese March, and March season, and blooming full. Okay. Not crowded, perfectly, and you can swim here and surf. Maybe surfing is prohibited, but you can swim very freely. Wow, dog and kids and here enjoying. Oh, this is a very beautiful blue ocean, so clean, crystal clean. And the Kawazu beach is near Kawazu station. You can come here by train without car. Oh, it's a very convenient, and it's like almost a private beach. Very less people here, I don't know why. But it's a Shirahama area, and the white sand area is very popular and crowded. But here it's very vacant. Wow! Nobody don't know here. It's known only for locals. I came to the 7 waterfalls in Kawazu. It's a lot of souvenir shop and a good hidden area and a good soba noodle, a lot of things. It's a Taki waterfall exploring. Alright, let's get there. Okay, this exploring road is so comfortable. It's a good great shade and the feeling so comfortable, cool. Okay, this river, very good. 7 waterfall. Where? Waterfall. Where is the waterfall area? This one? No. Okay. Sauna. Why sauna there? Onsen 書いてあるよ。Hot Springs Cave. Why it's a hot spring cave? It's not for waterfall. Maybe. Oh wow! What's this? Is it diving? What? Is it diving? Sauna? Okay, crossing the waterfall area. Alright, so beautiful, comfortable road. Oh, it's fishing. Okay, that's waterfall. Okay, so beautiful area. Wow. Oh, cool temperature. Oh my god, crazy. Wow, I want to dive. I want to dive. Swim. very cool. Okay. Wow. 海上で雨の Maybe it's our super cool waterfall. Okay, we reached Ebitachi. Ebi is it's not shrinking. Ebi is a Japanese god deity, one of the deity. And 7 deity, the god deity, but Ebisu is one of the deity. Ebisu touch. Ebisu downfall. Okay, Spider-Man. Do you know Japanese soba? Japanese soba is a soba powder. It's made by soba powder, and it's a little, it's a very smooth state noodle, Japanese one, and it's different udon and ramen noodle. It's a soba is originated by the soba powder, and it's do you know it's wasabi. The wasabi is a very spicy and a unique taste. It's if you eat a lot of wasabi in one time, it's like a punching your nose. It's very painful. And soba is its nutrition is a protein. It's not carbohydrate. It's a protein. Is a good for protein. It's very beautiful scenery. It's horizon. It's American continent. It's not American continent. Actually, this is the ocean. Yeah, very close to peninsula. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Okay. And a lot of hot things and sauna, cold bath.